Ready to explore and reveal? Dive into today's question and uncover the answers together.
To connect your 8BitDo Pro controller to your PS3, start by turning on your PS3 console. Then, press and hold the Start plus Y buttons on your 8BitDo Pro until the LED starts blinking rapidly. This puts it in pairing mode. Next, use a USB cable to connect the controller to the PS3. Once connected, press the PS button on the 8BitDo Pro. The controller should sync automatically. If needed, disconnect the USB cable after syncing. Remember, some controller features might not be supported on the PS3.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.